You're targeting these corporate execs who don't have time or much time.
Yep.
And the goal is to get them moving before they have problems like your dad had, or are you using his story that he did so well till he was 95 because he moved?
He did well because he moved, but the point is he ended up on a cane and a walker, which was a total shock to him.
I was just thinking as I was reading it before we hopped on this call, that using his name would be really powerful if you paint this picture of who he was and then say, that was my dad. You know, and kind of like hit them with that stinger a little bit later versus let me tell you about a physician. Even if you jumped in right here, if you said something like, not an ounce of fat on his body. He could wear a Speedo until the day he died and not look ridiculous. International physician who practiced medicine on 4 continents, like kind of drawing some of those things in. But what I would love to see is you to just throw the reader right into the story and like pull them in. So they're like, wait, who is this guy? I think it's stronger to start at not an ounce of fat on his body. And the Speedo, because they can picture that pretty quickly.